sometimes you just beef it so hard that it just turns in your favor. Producer Chris here with Mix 94.1, and a woman who lost Family Feud is still getting quite a winnings from Popeye's chicken. Eve Dubois was a contestant on Family Feud Canada who's being given $10,000 worth of Popeyes from the chicken company for incorrectly answering the final question in a deathmatch round on the show. The question was, name Popeye's favorite food, to which Dubois, with the confidence of a karaoke bar singer several drinks in, replies, chicken. Now, for those who don't know, there is a fictional cartoon sailor named Popeye, yeah, this guy, this is a picture, whose whole deal is eating spinach. Eve was thinking about Popeye's Louisiana chicken chain that fateful moment. And to be fair, they are Louisiana fast, even mentally. The internet did its thing and caught the attention of the actual food chain, and of course Popeyes was like, we don't see anything wrong with this answer, winner winner chicken dinner. And they hit her up with a tweet, and the rest was history. While it may have been an embarrassing moment for the contestant at first, I think she's feeling a lot better. And I mean, in the end, who's the real winner? For more Mix news, like, follow, subscribe, eat your spinach, Mix 94.1.